Hey guys, want to know something for me before I watch a prank here when I get drop on Kim? Want to go over to my brother DJ and Charm channel and subscribe, guys. I'm gonna start a YouTube channel, but you're not gonna find them if you just type in their name. You're not gonna find them. So want to know to click on them link. We're gonna down in the description. For them link at the first link in the description. Go over there, subscribe to them, and wait for them to start drop the bangers couple video them, guys. So subscribe to DJ and Charm, and then wait for them. Oh. You see, I welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as you see by the title and the thumbnail, guys, me gonna pull off another prank him, my sister. So the type of prank we gonna do is wearing Jeffrey's underpants prank. I know everybody I say, oh yeah, do too much prank about Jeffrey this and that. You must really like him. You must listen. Shut up. Just shut up, okay? Just shut up. Jeffrey, my brother-in-law, no type of feelings, no. Me I do them type of prank because every time I do it, I pull upon a string. I make a continue pull upon a string. So I go do that prank for my real true supporters them. Not the haters them when not even watch out the entire video, but have something negative to say. Bye-bye. Anyway, so I go do the wearing Jeffrey's underpants prank. So see it here. American Eagle. Yes, sir. I go do that and get a real reaction, guys. So if you want to see the video, smash up the subscribe button, spam the comments, leave a like, follow me on my Instagram at I am Shawna with 2 S. Link's gonna be also in the description and pan the screen. Also, guys, go over to Kim's channel. This is Kim, and subscribe. Get her to 5K subscribers real quick, guys. So don't do that for me. And come back, come see how I dominate the prank here. So what I'm gonna do is make it seem like say yeah, I just done beard or whatever. Because I gotta wrap up another towel, and then when I drop the towel, bam, there is Jeffrey underpants. So what I might do, I put on another underpants underneath it. Well, I already have under underpants here. This is mine. So I'm gonna keep it on underneath it just in case you want to draw off the underpants off of me. I don't want to expose my body on the tube. So I'm gonna do that for me. One more thing, guys, I want to watch every single one of my ads them. Okay, if I add them for 5 minutes, guys, please not be gonna watch out the entire 5 minutes. That's someone get paid. If you don't watch them, I'm not gonna get paid. So just watch out all of my ads them for the real true supporters of me. Watch it out for me. Okay? Okay. So right now I can just go in the room, set up the camera, and so let's get it. Let's go. I know a prank where I'm gonna start up, but I don't really care. I have time today. Yeah, guys, so as you can see, as you can hear, she in the kitchen and wash plate. And me just like, you know, one like say we don't be that day, so good so. So we can put her in Jeffrey underpants and then drop it over and see her reaction. Come here, Charm. Come here, Charm. Yeah, and you see Charm? Charm a DJ girlfriend, guys. Want to go over to their YouTube channel right now and subscribe. Then we're gonna start a couple channels. She forgot to the name DJ and Charm, guys. The link's gonna be down in the description. Also, please not be gonna go over there, subscribe, get them to 1,000 subscribers. Them videos soon come. Kim one brother, DJ girlfriend, Charm. So, yeah, guys. Oh yeah? This is too much.
I'm not even notice it like it's a look as a hassle.
Kim, I see you won't know what coming on here.
Me not gonna say because of heat. A whole heap of people are bumbo. Even from my face.
So I want to tell them feel all one heat, eh?
No. But it genuinely because of the heat for true. Because it might not come into summer, you know?
So what we now gonna have?
No, the face out. Some big bump in my face not to do.
I'm just beard to my food.
One blood beard.
Now see this come out, eh?
I'm blackhead.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. My heart is fat.
That's why I'm not using all that lotion.
You know what I always wonder? Then again, when the phone knock off, did you turn off your phone?
No, but she probably there.
No?
It must say spring you what day now, so probably it a malfunction.
It's been working good. Just to speak on the phone.
You speak out your problem? Damn hot man with you.
Yeah, phone now.
Where you go?
I go for your chair. I said the little black blouse and put on a chair.
Which blouse?
Sit down on it. Because I realized sometimes sit down on it by itself with crutch.
How you do?
Sit down and block it.
Kim, come catch up man. Come catch up this one.
Like you come here too.
Because
Next
me
time
not
you
put on no shorts yet.
no braid your ear, black it.
Come now, Kim.
And me and you one in here, Sean.
Just catch up. Me not put on no shorts yet.
I'm not one in here. I'm not even looking. Woman!
Yuck.
You know what we need? No facial.
Huh?
We need no facial.
Catch up here.
I feel like we need one entire body shot. Like all of my body want it. I want to buy American Eagle underpants. I want to buy the American underpants there.
You like it?
Yeah. I go.
I don't know after I'm buying sister on my size.
So you gonna try them before you buy them? Or stretch them and see what your size is?
Kim, post that one them more. I like when things tight up on.
Okay. We buy some underpants that we just for them again.
So what make you feel you need to make me and man have the same underpants, Kim?
Yeah, see, I can't bother with
Cause what do you mean? I say, oh, me can't find me underpants then. Then me go in at Jeffrey John, me see this. So me I say, oh, I must eat this, so I'm better than turn out.
you. You can't underpants from there?
No, remember me the pack up, Kim. What do you?
You can't underpants from there?
Kim, me can't. Me did figure it, man. So me just borrow Jeffrey underpants, Kim. Me ain't
What?
going. Me borrow it.
What do you mean you borrow it?
Me see it in the jar, me like it color and everything and it match my blue blouse. So I just barely put it on a wall.
Are you different underpants you have on?
Yes, Kim.
Move! Because you know what your problem is? You don't know when to stop. That's your problem.
Stop what?
You don't know when to stop. You play too much.
Kim, me just borrow the underpants. You go so far.
So why you couldn't borrow one of my shorts?
I just fell on can wear American Eagle.
Are you different underpants you have on?
Me just borrow it, Kim. Stop going. If Jeffrey did that, Jeffrey would have led me, Kim.
Why the hell would you even say something stupid like that? Take off it.
Me no want to take it off, Kim. Me near a heart. Me have to borrow the underpants. Your shots them are go bigger for me and swim. Look how this nice. Watch there. Photo shoot and all that. Look there.
Try not to take off Jeffrey underpants.
Kim, where
Take it off!
Kim, me just
You
have
play too much.
But
You
me
don't
not.
know when to stop.
Me not playing, Kim. Stand up here, so.
Take off it.
Me just a borrow, Kim. Me not take it off. Me stop.
Shawna,
going.
take it off.
For what? Kim, stop show off.
You know you really want me to hurt you though?
So hurt me then, like, if I wanna know.
Come off of my bed.
Kim, stop.
Get off my bed.
Me still not take it off for no cause you know. Kim, I go pop up it underpants. What is
Take
the
it
problem?
me not even wear the underpants yet. Why the heck are you?
Me nah wear it, me just a showcase it, Kim. Stop going stuff. Look there. Campbell, what your name? Calvin Klein model. For underpants. You look sexy, don't you? But I'm not looking
I don't understand you, no God no. Me just
Kim, look now. Yeah, girl, up your mouth so far.
me not like you, me don't.
Kim, stop
Me
going.
done.
Kim,
Me done, me can't bother. I'm just done with both of you. Me can't.
what you done with Jeffrey? For Jeffrey now not to do with this Kim.
Shawna,
I'm not going, I borrow the underpants.
take it.
We
More
don't
in
want
the
it.
jar. More in the jar.
Alright, somebody can never say that. More in the jar, you know, that's not for a long
You
time.
don't know when to stop. and
Stop
I just
what?
do
Me
it.
not do nothing.
Just-
That one you want to fit me good? You see, I chew! Kim! Kim, stop show off. You know just sneeze, say I chew me for put it on. I'm sure they look better.
You don't make a kick you in yourself.
Me not have no star, Kim. Tommy Hilfiger or American Eagle. Don't stop going, son, Kim.
Put on the water then.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Put on the water then.
Can I put on your shirt to Kim?
Shawna,
Are you be buying a shirt? Huh?
are you serious?
Kim, help me drop now.
Are you really standing? You're gonna end right now. You run too much. Take off it.
Alright, look at me. Don't come here.
Come on, guys. Take off it. That's how people love invite you to them place. You run too much.
Kim, I want to look a prank. Yeah,
No.
Kim, I want. Hold on, I'm catch look bread. Kim, I want to look a prank. Yeah, one's over. One is on the pants.
Don't say nothing.
Are you buying? Whatcha? So where you are going now? Whatcha? Kim, I just a
The
prank.
rat run too much.
Let me show your man underpants. You have a top one, so. Kim. Whew. No, sir. Guys, understand? We get tired good. 10 out of 10 for me, guys. Make sure to smash the subscribe button. And go over to DJ and Champ channel, guys. Subscribe. The link going down in the description. The first link in the description. Also, subscribe to This Is Kim. The second link in the description, guys. And just go over there. Spam them up. And do what I say. I'm tired. Woo!